This looks delicious, y'all. What's up to my day ones? Today I will be making chicken and noodles. I will be adding some sweet peas as well as some corn. And it'll be a pretty simple dish. I'll be making this with some Texas toast garlic bread, and that's all. So if you guys will just stay tuned, I will show you how to do it. It's so easy, so just keep watching. And also be sure to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more content such as this. So now I will be boiling some egg noodles and some homemade chicken broth. I did make this myself, guys, and I'll be sure to link that video to this one. So once you guys finish watching this, head on over to that one and see how you can make this delicious chicken broth. After your noodles are drained, you'll just take 1 can of cream of chicken and 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, and you'll just mix those together in the same pot that you used to cook those noodles in. You guys do not have to stir this together. This was honestly just the child in me coming out for just a second, and I was just having some fun, to be honest. So you just want to go ahead and get your noodles added to this mixture, and then you can go ahead and stir it up once you add those. So now you guys will just see me taking 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm just chopping these up. I am not looking to have meat knife cuts or anything of that nature. I'm just getting this meat chopped up into some chunky pieces so that this meal could be even more hearty and delicious. Maybe I should have saved some of that chicken stock from earlier because the cream of mushroom and the cream of chicken is fairly thick. So I wanted mine to resemble more of a pasta sauce. So I added about 1/4 cup of chicken stock to that. So you guys can go ahead and save that chicken stock because I know you're going to make my banging recipe for it. And just add some of that to the sauce mixture. So you guys can choose to do the frozen vegetables such as what I did just for the conveniency route, or you can choose to go the fresh way, which would of course be of a better health benefit to your family. And also, if you guys think that other vegetables in this will be delicious like carrots or broccoli, feel free to play around with that as well and add those in there. I think that would be great and probably what I'll try the next time I make this meal. So once you finish adding your vegetables, you just want to stir this up, get all of your vegetables coated in your sauce mixture so that they can cook evenly. And then you'll just turn your heat down to low and you'll simmer this for about 35 minutes or until your vegetables are fully cooked. Just like that, you've got some delicious chicken and noodles, y'all. So if you enjoyed watching this video, or if you have any questions for me or even some suggestions, feel free to leave those in the comments below and I will be sure to get back with you. And also, if you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more content such as this. So you guys see me just making my husband's plate of food, which he devoured. Thank you so much for tuning in today and just taking the time out of your day to spend a little time with Bae. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys, and there will be more to come in the future, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified the next time I post a video. Have a wonderful and blessed day.